Well, this morning I'm cutting up some nice cured bacon for the cowboys. They just got in off a patrol, so evidently their commissary is not set up as of yet. So we're going to prep a little cured meat for them. It's nice again, man.
That's a good coffee. Is it? Peach juice.
Well, it looks like our smoked bacon's getting there. Wondrous 15 cents. So, what's that?
I said I had the 9.
You're nine of those rumors. Go, thank you, Eric.
I'm sure I could pick you up and talk.
Just like that.
Drink water. You don't feel like it, you need it. Yeah, that's right. Take arms.
And they got their great coats, and the day before,
We're sort of at the almost 2, 3 versus
In the truck? Yeah, I have a wide enthusiast swear.
The water point better go every 3 miles.
Yeah.
So,
How's everybody's canteens? You guys should be getting close to empty.
go right. You know, it looks like that's pretty shallow there, but the water's here. So the faster we can get down to the water, that's what we're trying to do.
Guys feeling tuckered out? Couple miles to go.
Yeah.
Yep, we'll make it.